Hi everyone, Archana here. It's July already and I'm here with Christmas in July kit. I have two kits, one is traditional and one is shabby chic. Here is the shabby chic kit I'm showing you, and this kind of kit I created last year and it got sold out so quickly. So then again I ordered this same paper. They came up with another new same theme this year too. They just changed the cover and you will see those papers soon, but everything is same inside. And but here is the popular one, Pink Christmas, and I will not open it since you all know all these papers. If you want to see all the papers clearly, you can just go Stamperia's website, which is stamperia.com, and you can check all the papers. Since these packs are really well packed and I don't want to open them, but I can show you all the very pretty images. So many of you are already familiar with this collection, and this time I have 12 by 12, and I also do have this card set which has 24 double-sided papers, and by the way this one has 10 double-sided papers. And I have these adhesive papers which has these cute cards or circles. You can see very pretty images, and they are quite big images, you can see right here. And then I also added this rice paper. Isn't it amazing? This is huge paper. If you like decoupage your album cover or inside pages, or if you are journal maker, this page is beautiful. It's a rice paper and all the images are stunning. Look at this very wide big image. You can even use on your cover page. Every image is very pretty. And some this banner type of things, so cute, right? So all these products are by Stamperia. And then let's move on to embellishment part. I have added one of the chipboard piece by Fab Scrap. It is quite big. It's really go well with this kit since it's a good size, and it has a door, decorative door, so you can embellish this door as per you want. So this one is here, and then this one is tab, 3 different types of tabs you can create, and it's very useful. This 3-piece die set is in this kit. Then I have added this 1 yard of very shabby pink seam binding as always. And I have this very pretty Prima flower collection set. Since it has roses, small flower, different types of flowers and leaves, so many things in here. Since this collection has not any traditional poinsettia flowers, this one has all the roses and other different flowers and berries. So this one goes well with this kit, so I thought I will add this. And since this one has lots of roses, I thought I will add some more roses, since it's a pretty pink colored collection and it has some darker pink roses as well. So I thought I will just add these large 5 tea roses. These are Wild Orchid Craft roses and I'm in love with these roses. They are my all-time favorite. And also I have these Mulberry pepper roses, which are cabbage roses. It's in shabby pink color. They are 10 and these are 5. So they are here. And then what I did, I have these 2 baubles. You can see ornaments and you can decorate them as it is. But I have added this Prima dome. You can see. So if you get any of the image, suppose this image for example, if we have this image, you can insert, you can stick this image inside, put some stickers, sequences, pearls, whatnot, like snow also, like fake snow, and flowers also, because this dome is very like it has so much space inside. You can see this is wide enough, and you can just stick it like that, and here you go. This is already looking so cute, right? So that's what I thought. I will add this, sorry, I will add this dome, and this dome is by Prima. This size is really perfect, so this is here. And that is it in this kit. So many goodies, so many pretty shabby goodies, and this kit is available in limited quantity as always. I'm sorry. And that's it. So I'll come back with traditional kit. So here is very traditional kit. Let's see. Again, I have the paper collection by Stamperia. It is a Christmas vintage. Beautiful kit. It's totally vintage, very traditional kit. And this kit has this adhesive sheet from Stamperia. And then I have added these Stamperia flower pack, two of them. One is in white and one is in very pretty red. And then we have red seam binding, 1 yard. And then I have added this chipboard set, which has all the baubles, ornaments. And this kit has so many ornaments, you can see right here, and all other pages as well. So I thought this one will look good. You are getting all the 5 ornaments, either they are just like in this kind of set, or individually you are getting in packs as per the availability, but I will make sure you will get all 5 ornaments. And then I have this die set, which has these gift boxes, super cute. And then I have 2 stencils from the same company, Couture Creations, which says Merry Christmas, and here is a scripted Merry Christmas. You can create a cute background using those. And then a touch of gold, I just have this golden colored crystals, pearls, say it in a pearls by Prima. And this cute little kit is also available in limited quantity. So I have shabby and traditional kits for Christmas in July. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.